Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about completing the square. So let's start with a very basic question. What is just the number 5 squared? So the answer would be 25, obviously. Now let's write that again but in a different form. So instead of the number 5 we'll write 2 plus 3 in brackets and square it. So the answer would remain the same, but let's solve it in that form. We'll have 2 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 2 plus 3 times 3. Now, if we replace the number 2 with the variable x, we will end up with, well, x times x, so x squared, plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. This has turned into an algebraic quadratic expression, which when we factorize it, we will get x plus 3 squared instead of 2 plus 3 squared. Both 25 and the algebraic expression could be defined as perfect squares, because when they're factorized, we will get the exact number or expression multiplied by itself, like 5, 2 plus 3, or x plus 3. To complete a square, all you need to do at a GCSE level is to turn an expression into a perfect square, factorize it, then add or subtract the difference. Take a look at this expression, x squared plus 4x plus 9. To find the perfect square, we start by writing x in a bracket, and then in this case plus, because the value of b is positive, and half the value of b. So as you might know, a quadratic expression is written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. The value of b here is 4, so we'll get x plus 4 over 2, which is x plus 2, then square this value. So x plus 2 squared will give us x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now, if we find the difference between the two expressions, and in this case, it's 9 minus 4, because we have x squared plus 4x plus 9 in the original expression, and the new expression was x squared plus 4x plus 4. So the difference between these two expressions is just the difference between 9 and 4, which are the values of c. Now, if we rewrite this in a more complete way, we have x plus 2 squared, which is the perfect square, plus 5, which is the difference between the value of c, and we've successfully completed the square. Also, notice how the difference between both expressions is just the value of c. That is why the value of b was halved originally. To complete the square, the values of a and b have to be equal in both the original expression and the perfect square. What if the value of a was greater than 1? Simply, all you need to do is divide the entire expression by the value of a, or factorize it. So, if you have an expression like 2x squared plus 8x plus 16, you'll divide the whole expression by 2, and just keep it in brackets. So you'll have 2 times x squared plus 4x plus 8. Then you can complete the square normally as we did before. After completing the square in this example, you will get 2 times x plus 2 squared plus 4, which you could expand to get 2 times x plus 2 squared plus 8. Now, that was all for this video. We will have a future video covering solving for x by completing the square. But for now, thanks for watching. Please leave any questions, corrections, and suggestions in the comment section, and see you in the next video.